Welcome to our YouTube channel. Join us on an exciting journey filled with informative content, entertaining videos, and engaging discussions. Whether you're here for tutorials, product reviews, or just looking for some fun, you've come to the right place. Samsung's Ultra flagship models consistently feature the company's top-tier hardware, boasting an exceptional camera system, an integrated S Pen, and a robust titanium-coated frame. Nevertheless, the hallmark feature of Samsung's flagship devices has consistently been their displays. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's employment of the Samsung M13 OLED panel surpasses all rivals in terms of color precision, real-world brightness, and energy efficiency. Since the Galaxy S21 Ultra in 2021, successive generations of Ultra phones have boasted 6.8-inch OLED displays showcasing enhancements in brightness, color accuracy, power efficiency, and the integration of LTPO technology. However, according to a source online via @Neg1Hero on Twitter, the Galaxy S25 Ultra might potentially feature an increased display size of 6.9 inches. Ice Universe reportedly confirmed this development in an alleged post on the Chinese microblogging site Weibo, as per a translated screenshot shared by @Neg1Hero on Twitter. Should this information prove accurate, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will become the first Samsung flagship since the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in August 2020 to feature a 6.9-inch display, symbolizing the conclusion of the Note series. Indeed, even the Galaxy S20 Ultra from early 2020 boasted a 6.9-inch display. Samsung seems poised to reintroduce this display size next year, albeit with a flat panel instead of the curved panel seen in previous iterations. Rumors surrounding the Galaxy S25 Ultra suggest that it could herald the most significant transformation in Samsung's flagship lineup in quite some time. Previously, rumors suggested that the Galaxy S25 Ultra would undergo a redesign, potentially featuring repositioned cameras, slimmer bezels, ergonomic improvements for better usability and grip, and tweaks to enhance one-handed operation. Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S lineup is anticipated to be powered by the Exynos 2500 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipsets. There's speculation that the company might upgrade camera sensors across all models. However, the primary focus appears to be on delivering an unparalleled user experience through both hardware and software enhancements. Stay informed about Samsung Galaxy, One UI, and tech updates by smashing that subscribe button. Explore the latest news, polls, reviews, and features for Samsung and Google apps, Galaxy phones, and the One UI/Android ecosystem. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned and stay tech savvy.